Queen's Court. Today I am coming to you with a video. I will be doing these Christmas bulbs, decorations on these Christmas bulbs. Excuse me. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be alive. Okay, so we'll be using these. We'll be using these here mirror pieces, crushed glass, glitter, okay, and we'll be using all-purpose glue, okay, and I'll probably be using one of these. Not sure which one just yet. Okay. All right, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is take this off of here. Okay, if I can get it started here. Welcome to all my faithful returning family members, and welcome to our new family members. Okay, I'm not gonna play with this ball all night. Do what I gotta do and put it down. Trying to stay on that line, and that way I'll keep even. Got that one here, and that's crooked. Today. All right. There we go. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the other one. Okay, got that on here. This little pear knife is so sharp. So we're gonna go ahead and start the other side. Just gonna go down the sides. Hopefully it's centered. These little glass mirrors are something to work with, but hey, keep working them. Keep working at a thing, and you'll get better at it. Okay. Got that on. Go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so we got all our sides on. Now we're going to go ahead and put the crushed glass. I'll start doing that. I don't know where my gloves are, y'all. I can't find my gloves. Here's our glue. And our little brush. Okay, let's go ahead and apply our crushed glass here. How pretty that is. Now what I'm going to do is, no, this is good. I'm good. I was going to use some glue, but I'm not going to do that. Some glitter, I'm sorry. We're going to go ahead and do the other sides. Now what we're going to do is sprinkle some. These are beautiful, y'all. Look how pretty that is. Now we're going to sprinkle some silver glitter on this. Top it off. This is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Now, what we're going to do is, let's see what I want to use on here. Now, we're going to leave this just like it is. That's beautiful. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the next one. I'm going to sit that aside and let that dry. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Here we go. Now we're going to be using the, I don't want this video to be too long, so we're going to be using these here. We're going to move these out the way. Now we're going to be working with the gold. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and lay these down. Y'all know I love gold. It's my absolute favorite. Okay, we're going to start from the side here. Go down as straight as we can. I'll show you as soon as I... Okay. Do the other side. Again, I use the guideline of that little fine little piece of I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I use. I try to go by that to keep it straight. That on. And I'm going to go ahead and look at the other side. I'm really moving kind of slow here. I just started a job and in training and stuff, it's been kind of hectic, so you know, just trying to work YouTube and still, you know, work my job as well. And I definitely want to work YouTube because this is my business and I enjoy bringing y'all content, so I definitely want to keep my YouTube on. So if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel out so very much. There's something trying to put these things on here straight. Okay, so we got them on. Okay. All right, so y'all please excuse my nails. I do apologize. I was going to do them when I came home, but didn't get a chance to. So please forgive me, nails. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this on now. Now we're going to take this off of here. Put it on. Let's do the brush glass first. Okay. And this one is just going to be glitter, gold glitter we're going to use, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. Start laying it down. Okay. I like to tack it. Okay. So while this is fresh, we're gonna go ahead and put our gold glitter on here. I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna go ahead and put our gold glitter on here while it's nice and fresh. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the other ones, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I'm back, and I want to show y'all how beautiful these came out. Okay, so that is the silver one. With the mirrors, and this is the gold one. Absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. They came out so beautiful. All right, bye bye. Love you all. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.